Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can replace the windshield wiper blades on your Ford or basically any other car. First, of course, you will need to get the right wiper blades. And that, for some, could already be a complicated task, because finding the right wiper blades is not exactly easy. When you go to your local parts store and pick up one of those windshield wiper packages, on the back you will notice a long list of cars that these specific wipers will fit on. And of course, in order to get the right ones, your car must be on the list. As you can see, in my case, the list is not very long, and right here you can see my car. Ford Mondeo Mark IV. For my car, I prefer using Bosch wiper blades. They are decent quality, last a long time, and most importantly, they don't squeak. So now that we have the right wiper blades, we can go ahead and replace them, right? You wish. In order to replace the wiper blade, you will need to raise the wiper arm. In older cars, that was an easy task. You just took it and raised it up. But in this case, as I tried to raise it up, the bonnet is in the way. It hardly lifts up. This is very common for modern cars. I don't know whether it's for aerodynamics or to prevent the wiper blades from being stolen, but whatever. It is as it is. Well, I guess you could just raise the wiper arm a tiny bit and try to replace the blades then. And judging by these scratches, I believe the previous owner has already done that. But there's an easier way. So in order to raise the wiper arms properly, you will need to get in your car, turn on the ignition, and turn it off. Then hold your wiper switch down until this happens. And now you can easily raise the wiper arms, like that. Now do keep in mind that the way you raise the wiper arms in your car is not exactly the same for all cars, but more or less it should be similar. I guess you will probably need to play around with your wiper switch, or just Google it. But anyways, in order to get the old wiper blades out, you will need to press this button and push the blade upwards, like so, and it should come out easy, more or less. And of course the same goes for the other side. Button in and pull it out. There you go. Now be sure not to slam the wiper arms on your windshield, because they will most likely damage it. And now just slide the new wiper blade back in there the way you removed the old one. More or less. Like so. And the same goes for the passenger side. There you go. And yes, I hurt myself while replacing the wiper blades. God, I'm smart. And now you just lower the wiper arms gently, and you're good, for the front at least. And to get the blades back down, ignition on, turn it on once, and you're good. Well, and now for the back. Well, raising the wiper arm here is difficult. Right. With no bonnet in the way, it's easy. Well, but finding the right wiper blade for the back is a bit more challenging. If you remember where I showed you that package with the long list of cars, you could see on the top that the wiper blade is for the driver's side or the passenger side. No backside. In some cases, listen closely, in some cases, the passenger side wiper will fit in the back. In some cases. But for the most part, here people will go by the length. In most cases, that will work just fine. But sometimes the fitting on the front wiper arm is different from the back. Like in this case. Now I'll show you. So, this is the wiper blade I took off from my car's back. This is the wiper blade I took off from the front passenger side. They are both equal in length, but the fitting is slightly different. Now I'll try to put the front passenger side wiper blade on the back, and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. See, it doesn't fit. Applying force won't help. It doesn't go in all the way. Well, I guess you could try to cut this end off, but no, I'm not gonna do that. I guess you would probably be better off going to your car's dealer or your local parts store and ask for a wiper blade that will fit your car's wiper arm in the back. Like I did. Bosch rear. Get the thing out, slide it in there. Come on. Come on. There you go. And you're done. Of course, don't forget to lower your wiper arm. Gently, not like I did. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If by any chance you liked the video, consider subscribing and liking it. And see you next time. And don't forget to wash your hands.